Weather Update with Chief Forecaster Beckett Webb on the Highland Weather Channel. Chief Weather Forecaster Beckett Webb here. Happy afternoon. Thank you guys so much for tuning in here. I decided to go ahead and just do a little bit of an update here. Many of you guys are asking why the temperatures are a little bit cooler. I want to go ahead and talk about that in just a second here, but let's start off with the latest weather headlines again. Cooler temperatures today. We can see a massive warm up next week and non-stop rain chances. Looking at current conditions across much of the viewing area, we can see mid to lower 70s are currently sitting throughout much of the forecasting region here. 72 in Asheville, mid 70s, about 75 in Greenville, Swanberg, 73 in Lincolnton. We can see 78 in Charlotte, 79 in Newberry, and Murphy sitting at 75 degrees. For me, I think it's a little bit cold, so I decided to bring out my jacket just a little bit because it was a little bit cold around the building here. But we're not going to see a little bit of a warm up today, but we're going to see a massive warm up through the next couple of days. We are under a low end threat for severe weather today. Not even a severe weather threat either, just a general thunderstorm risk, which means sky thunderstorms are possible, may be strong, but that severe probability is not expected. Towards our west, we can see a marginal risk for severe weather is currently in effect through much of that East Tennessee region. That's a level 1 out of 5, so that's also a low end threat, which is the main driver is about 65 mile an hour wind gusts. However, we continue to watch the day 3 severe weather threat. This is on a Sunday, where a little smidge of our forecasting region towards the Charlotte metro area is currently under a low end 1 out of 5 risk for severe weather. As of now, that threat still continues to be winds of 55, 65, probably gusting up to maybe a chance of 70 mile an hour winds, but that chance remains relatively low. Looking at today's maximum temperatures here, 81 in Asheville, 84 down towards Greenville, Swanberg, 89 in Columbia, 84 in Charlotte, 83 in Gatlinburg, 86 in Knoxville, and 86 in Athens. Looking at tonight's minimum temperatures here, 66 in Asheville, 70 down towards Greenville, Swanberg, 71 in Columbia, 71 in Charlotte, 70 in Knoxville, 68 in Gatlinburg, 70 in Dakota, and 70 in Athens. Looking at tomorrow's maximum temperatures here, this is when we'll see that massive warm-up return back into the forecast here. You won't need that jacket anymore. 85 in Asheville, 87 down towards Greenville, Swanberg, 85 in Greenwood, 89 in Columbia, 87 in Charlotte, 85 in Gatlinburg, 85 in Knoxville, 86 in Athens. Looking at tomorrow's minimum temperatures here, the temperatures in the upstate will remain warm, 70s. 70 in Greenville, Swanberg, 71 in Greenwood, 72 in Columbia, 65 in Asheville, 70 in Knoxville, 67 in Gatlinburg, 69 in Dakota, and 69 in Athens. Looking at the day 3 maximum temperatures here on a Sunday, that's when we see that massive warm up again in our Piedmont, North Carolina, and our upstate South Carolina counties. 83 in Asheville, 87 down towards Greenville, Swanberg, lower 90s possible in the Columbia area, 88 in Charlotte, 85 in Hickory, 82 in Knoxville, 82 in Gatlinburg, we can see 85 in Dakota, and we can see 86 in Athens. So let's go ahead here and take a look at the latest futurecast here, starting off the morning. Let's go ahead and go back. Starting off around this hour here at 12 p.m. Some scattered showers are possible towards the upstate of South Carolina, but as we continue throughout the day, we can see more widespread showers are continuing into the overnight, into the evening hours. We see more of an elevated rain chance. Some scattered thunderstorms remain possible into the overnight hours, into the early morning hours of a Saturday. Then we finally see those drying out conditions in the early morning hours of a Saturday. Scattered showers still start to pop up around the afternoon hours on a Saturday as well. Watch out for a stray shower or thunderstorm possible on a Saturday. Then we see more widespread possibility into the overnight again on a Sunday morning. But again, just scattered showers still continue to push its way into much of our viewing area. Lastly, taking a look at the 7-day forecast here. If you're looking to sunbathe, not a chance at all whatsoever. We're seeing some rain conditions throughout the next 7 days. Thunderstorms on a Friday have 83, low of 67. Saturday, 84, low of 66. Again, thunderstorms. Temperatures will cool down on a Sunday, high of 86, low of 82, low of 66. Thunderstorms on a Monday, high of 84, low of 66. Cooling down a little bit in the mid-80s on a Tuesday. Thunderstorms have 85, low of 67. Upper 80s returning in the forecast on a Wednesday. Scattered thunderstorms have 88, low of 67. That may be a day that you can do some more outdoor activities. Thursday, again, those temperatures will remain hot. Upper 80s, high of 88 with those scattered thunderstorms. All right, everyone. I'm Chief Weather Forecaster Becky Webb here. Thank you guys so much for tuning in. Have a great rest of your Friday. And I will see you all on a Monday forecast starting at 7 o'clock in the morning. Welcome again to the new Highland Weather rebrand.